Mumbai, as I told you earlier. There has not been anything named after me in Mumbai. But here in Kasaragod, Kerala, the road being named after me. You opened your hearts up to me. And I will only reciprocate with much, much more love than, you know, than what I have given to so many others. Thank you once again for having attended this evening in such large numbers. Also, when we came on from the road, and the enthusiasm and the love that you have shown, we remain with me forever. Thank you ever so much, and God bless you all. Big heartfelt thanks to all those who spoke earlier on and who spoke such nice things about me. Because I'm retired now for so many years. You don't need to hear nice things about you, only hear about current trends. So to hear all those nice things that everybody said has been most enjoyable.